Phonetic Foolishness by H.L. Bogelsing. If you pronounce head, dead, and beard, you'll hear the last word rhymes with deed. And in this poem, you will surely find many items of this kind. For instance, deer and fear in here but bear, gear and tear but wear and tear, yes and least and pleased but pleasant, meant and pit but sweat and great. The last word rhymes with feet and weight. Quite differently again is height, which sounds like bite, indict, and light. The next line should be read with care. The praying prayer says his prayer. Been and lean and men, but meant. Note, G and get, and gem and gent. Vice but crevice, advice and device. Lies but malice, police, concise. We say dreamed but also dreamed. The last word rhyming with esteem. Grow and blow and new but so. Cow and row but so and row. Measles that does not sound like measure. The same applied to treasure and treasure. Braid and made and laid but said. Treat but tread and tread but trade. A prison is often called jail, which word is also written jail. No, now note the difference with goal, which rhyme with pole and doll and roll. Owl and jowl are not like bowl. Try pole and goal and lastly soul. We say freak and streak, but stake and lick and freak and speak but break. Meadow has the sound of ed. Note, lead and lead, read and read, wear and weary, heard but bared, dread but dreary, earn but fared, bait and gate, and straight but blade. Leave out the G in now and not. Sword but sword, and word by lord. Load and sewed and road but broad. Cereal does not sound like seal. Rail not like zeal and heel. First say danger, then see anger. Count but country, southern but south, disguise but bruise. Youth and hunt, broke but brooch, and broad but blood. Hood but mood, and food but blood. Ment and pint and kirk but work. Dull and gall and hall but full. Lull and skull but bull and pool. R flour but tore and pour. We say bone and lone but gun. Pronounced like done and done. Tone and stone and throne but done. Phone and home and scone but none. Now, reader, always bear in mind the difference between wind and wind. The latter rhymes with rind and kind. Breathe but breath and feather leather. Little nether, either and tether. Giddy give but gesture in gin. Berry is pronounced like berry. In chased and chop and chin. Quite differently from ch in anchor, anchor which rhymes with tanker and banker. Chemist schism choir. Cough and bouch and pouch and touch. Butcher does not sound like crutch. Over has the spelling of lover and glove. Dove and cover, Hoover is pronounced like lover, which sounds like dover and like rubber. Lever rhymes with never and sever. Sounds quite differently, however. Now have a shot of evil devil. Revel and revel on the level. Desert and desert, Sam and home. Tom and womb, bomb and come. Life alive, live but live. Gauze but gauge, believe but save. Should is different from shoulder. The same applied to cloud, to could and boulder. Bound and bond and wound and rush but push. Lumber plumber, rush and bush. Eve and you and froth, beetroot. Note, T is heard in fasten and hasten. which make them rhyme with arson mason. The same applies to lezen, sofen, nesty hasty, faster chaser, master plaster, taster waster, hose and loose, can know but woo, worn but form and dull but toll, horse and worse and lost but post, cost and froze but most and ghost, calm but valve and ball but fall, tall and tally, gull but gull, star and bar and par but war. I wonder if you want some more. If you try realm created, treated, heinous swine, word veil conceited, chic, slight, sl- chic, slay, slight, skin, sweated, setted, debate and senate. Can you beat it?